Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Hope you had a great weekend. It's officially Money Monday. I've got the official shirt of Money Monday, the Joe Rogan I Be Getting Lucrative shirt. I hope you all be getting lucrative today. Anyway, welcome back. Tons of news flow out there. Breaking news. MSTR. Want to point out a headline. Purchased approximately 328 Bitcoins for $15 million in cash. Just interesting. Bitcoin is holding up like a champ. I keep going on and on, man. I mean, almost every weekend, and I won't beat this to death because I've talked about it so much. Almost every weekend you get a dip, and you got one today. I've talked about it nonstop. I think just, you should be building a position in Bitcoin, buying dips, etc. So I've talked about it so many times, you guys are probably sick of it. So that being said, let's get to work. FSR, Fisker, this squeezed on Friday, broke out to all-time highs. Love this as a week open red to green. Again, I get asked about, what is a week open red to green? What is that setup, Tim? It is FSR, okay? And this is all in the ebook, but it's that hot sector play with good news, okay? This is basically an earnings winner that closes at 52-week highs, also closes at or around the high of the day, okay? Trading unusual volume and sexy, something that people can really gravitate to. Fisker, sexy. So, anyway, classic week open red to green. Probably my main week open red to green this morning. And then other ideas for me, CCIV gapping up today. This got my boy Dave Portnoy was all over this on Friday. We got the gap. I really think that if this standard type afternoon swing play, man, if we can get this guy to do that VWAP-hugging action, which it's currently doing right now. It's kind of currently hugging. So if you took it on Friday, I would hold this as long as it, quote-unquote, hugs VWAP. And if you don't have a position, man, if the market stays strong like they are, and this is above VWAP into the afternoon, love this. All right. I know most of you guys are like, Tim, we don't want to... Tim, quit with the $20, $30 stocks. We want to talk about thousandth of a penny, sketchy OTCs that can halt at any point and take all my money. I know that's what you want. I know that's what you all want. Like 50 OTCs got delisted on Friday, but let's talk about thousandth of a penny stocks. Forget your $30 real stock plays. What do you think about ASLM? 40 million float. So a little higher float than we usually like. Let me peep that chart. Is a big breakout. Did have a big move last week. Standard dip and rip. Is higher float, but it's already traded 13 million shares at 8:34 a.m. That is definitely encouraging. ASLN dip and rip over 8 as of now. Higher float, but it's getting soaked. Soaked right now. 13 million shares traded already. So soak up that float. Bring them on in. So lure in the short sellers. Soak up the float. Again, if you guys haven't watched or listened to the podcast with JJ VWAP Trader, the market maker, a lot of these words I'm using might confuse you, but this is what we want to see. Lure them in, set the trap, and smoke these fools post 9:45. Smoke them if you got them. Matthew Matisse asked about NAK. N-A-K. Dead. Sorry, man. Take a look at OTCPK. Dead. Sorry. What about E-Core on a dip and rip? Yes. 10 million shares, 36 million float. Has news this morning. and it's a breakout over 350. So yes, high day breaks with risk on VWAP on eCore. The recipe's there. News, breakout, good volume. Again, little higher float, but 10 million shares traded at 8 a.m. eCore big breakout at 52s. In essence, same plan, thesis as ASLN. Comms, COMS. I've got the disappointed face on Twitter. I know you on Instagram. I know you. I can't really do the disappointed dad face on Instagram because where the phone is. Do we ever try and pick bottoms on pre-market prep? Ever? Over a year. I feel like playing the Cool Hand Luke clip. What we have here is a failure to communicate. Zom. Is Zom still in play? Man, Zom, the old Carol Baskin pump, still hanging around. Again, not in love with Zom. Sorry. So, let me grab a few from Instagram. CCL, I mean, man. Listen, guys. I would listen, if you were going to short anything in this wild market, short green to red moves on cruise lines. CCL. I thought cruises were disgusting before Corona. These are all doomed. Short VWAP fails or green to reds in the ebook. Remember the ebook? I know I don't talk about short patterns much, but there are my top 5 favorite short patterns are in the ebook as well. So, Socket Mobile, yes, SCKT, thank you. The Ghost, yes. Pulling back, had some solid news. I would say afternoon breaks over 16 with risk on today's highs. So a little bit of a different pattern on SCKT. This is an afternoon idea, in my opinion. Look for breaks over 16. I keep hitting my caps lock. Breaks over 16. Risk on 15. More of a swing idea. And LTNC. A lot of you guys asking about LTNC. Damn it. I almost made it. I got like a couple minutes to go, and I almost made it without getting duped into talking about an OTC. You guys got me. You tricked me. You got me. What am I always going to say on an OTC in pre-market? What am I going to say every single day on OTCs in pre-market? Okay? They barely trade or don't trade at all. I can't give you a read. So every single day, if you gapped it, if you gapped it, sell the gap. Look for a morning panic dip buy if you didn't trade it. Otherwise, it's an afternoon OTC swizzle setup. The same thing every day. Every day. You gotta realize, OTCs either don't trade in pre-market or they're very illiquid. What am I supposed to tell you at 8:30 a.m.? WKHS. I'd say set an alert at 19, which I'm going to do actually. 19 WKHS back over 19. So kind of an interesting fight here. We've got Cathie Wood versus the short sellers. I believe in Cathie Wood. I think Cathie Wood will win in the end. But notice we're just in this range bound area. So my opinion on WKHS is set an alert at 19. We'll wrap up with OCGN. Another one a lot of you guys are asking about. Breaks over 12. Midday, late day only because of higher float. So OCGN breaks over 12, but midday, late day only, not a low floater. All right, my friends. Busy day for me. Monday's always busy. Hope you have a great day. Check out the Steady Trade team. Doing 3 webinars today. Doing a 9 a.m. webinar, a 3:30 p.m., and a 6 p.m. webinar. So check out the Steady Trade team. Have a great day. Thank you for some good tickers. Thank you for some good questions. You guys are nailing it. Well done, Nicole. Nicole is helping me out on the live streams now. Nailed it with the questions. Have a great day, my friends, and we will see you next time.